To adjust date and time settings on POCO M8 5G, let's start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down and here enter additional settings. Then go to date and time options, and after that we'll be able to activate or deactivate 24 hours format, which switches between 12 hours and 24 hours clock. So choose whichever one you like. Then there's the option to set a time automatically. If you disable it, then you can pick date as well as the time manually. I wouldn't recommend to do so. Set the time automatically should be enabled, otherwise you may encounter some networking issues. Then there's the set time zone automatically. It's the same thing. If you disable it, you can change time zone manually, but I would recommend to also put it on to avoid any of the network problems. And you can also use location to help your phone determine your perfect time zone. Then there's the option for dual clock. If you're using clock on your home screen, then if you activate this option, you can put a second time zone for your clock. So that way, I'm not sure if there's a clock. Nope, there's not. But if you have a clock, it will show you your time zone and the other time zone that you selected. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.